Hello readers, I am at the Tamron stall and here we are going to see the display of lenses made by Tamron, and to take you through the Tamron stall, here is Mr. Nitin Goyal, General Manager India. Hi Nitin.
Hello friends, hello viewers, my name is Nitin Goyal and hereby I am going to take you through the Tamron tour. Now here if you see our booth is almost having 1000 square meter of space, which is increasing year by year. I give you an overview of the whole booth. We have a stage here. If you see, we have some cultural kind of programs in which we have dance shows and some performances in which we take you to the tour of whole worldwide, in which India is also including. Interestingly, we show what is the interesting part of India. It is animals, it is people, it is the culture. So we have something dance program which is something related to India over here. Now here it is a touch and try which we are giving a very prominent advertisement also everywhere. If you see, we are highlighting 3 particular models over here. I'll take you, please come closer. This is one model 2470, which is one of our very prominent model. We have 2470 available in Nikon and Canon mounts. This is available for touch and try over here. One. Yeah, please. The second model which is available with us is 7200. This is the latest launch of Tamron, 7200 VC USD. As of now it is available in Canon mount, if you see, and Sony it is also available.
This was the lens actually I was asking Tamron to make for...
Typically it is very good for fashion photographers as well, and I personally was also waiting for this particular lens for a long time. Now the next lens is 90mm VC, 90mm VC here. No? 90mm VC. 9mm there for Canon. How is it? Okay.
The other lens I was waiting is the 90mm macro with the image stabilization, and Tamron has finally announced it during this Photogina, and Nitin is going to show us in a very short while from now.
90mm VC, the new one. Yeah. So this is the groundbreaking Tamron 90mm VC with USD. Autofocusing is very fast in this particular lens, and this particular lens has been introduced first time in Photogina only. Long waiting lens. Sridhar was also asking me, in India also people were waiting. See, the 90mm macro, even till date, it was one of the legendary lens. Now we have come up with the latest technology in it. If you see, it has got focusing also, which is very fast with ultrasonic silent drive. Another feature is the vibration compensation also. So these are the 3 particular, thank you so much, we have displayed here, the touch and try experience. I'll take you to the next tour of our booth. There, if you see, you can see from here itself, 18270 is the main highlight. We have a 3D hologram display over there as well for 18270mm, in which we are showing all the elements disassembled, and then we can see all the elements separately in 3D logo as well. So this whole section is meant for 18270. So you can see our seriousness towards the high power mega zoom lenses. In high power mega zoom lenses, Tamron has been considered as pioneer. Here, if you see, we have lent 100 18270mm lenses. All 18270 lenses have been kept for the display, for the touch and feel experience. Please do take care of your leg here. So 100 lenses has been lent over here for the photographers who want to come, who want to touch and try at their own camera bodies as well. We have a display of other lenses as well, if you see here. DI and DI2, we have got 2 particular technologies in which these DI lenses have been meant for all APS-C and full frame camera bodies for Nikon, Canon, Sony and Pentax mounts. DI2 has been meant for APS-C camera bodies only.
So this is the lens dissected.
Yeah, this is the lens dissection. If you see, you can see the elements over here, how it moves. The aperture is also being shown, how's the gears, how autofocusing motor is also being put up. This is the complete half section dissection of the this lens. It is a
1750 2.8.
1750 2.8 lens.
Yeah.
It cost quite high, but still we dissected it for our customers to be viewed.
Here are the 100 lenses
100 particular lenses
of 18 to 70.
18 to 70 PZD to show our strength towards the high power mega zoom lenses only. Another one more section I'll take you very quickly. Also, I would like to highlight here we have introduced a new technology which is extra bandwidth angular dependency. So here it is same like a nano technology which has been introduced in the new 90mm macro lens and the 7200 lens as well. So this was also much awaited technology which will be introduced in our next SP lenses.
Nitin, will you please take us to the vibration reduction table where the display has been put up to check the vibration control?
Yeah. However, it is not yet started, it seems. It's not yet started.
They will be putting it up in a short while from now.
Yeah.
So in our second part, we can come again and shoot the demo for the lens. Yeah.
By that time, I can take you to the other part. Here is the macro section. We are displaying a demo of macro lenses for 90mm macro and all. These are all not artificial, the original flowers and faunas. So here we are displaying 60mm, 90mm and 180mm macro.
So Nitin, can I take it that way that your next VC models will be 60mm and 180mm?
I can't comment. No comments.
Okay.
I hope so. And here is the section where we do workshop through a professional photographer. We have some models over here and a professional photographer takes on live shoots and then teach about Tamron technologies as well. The last section comes here, which is the telephoto section. Please do come on. So this is the telephoto section, small and compact. We are displaying here the 7200 new one, and this is also 7200, 200, 500 is also being kept. I hope so. Let me see. Yes, 200, 500 lens is also being kept. So you can take a telephoto view from here for a long distance as well. So this is how we are covering one macro section, all-in-one zoom section, and the telephoto section.
Thank you, Nitin.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, viewers. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.